You own real estate, but you just got laid off. What are you going to do? What's going on, YouTube? It's Matt. So today we've got a question from Rob from Ohio. This is interesting. Rob just got laid off. So we're going to talk to Rob, or, I'm going to talk to Rob through this channel here, and you guys are going to listen to what I got to say to Rob about what to do about him getting laid off. And it's interesting because he also owns some real estate, but it's an interesting question on what you do in these circumstances. So we're going to get to talking about that. If you guys like what we do here on our YouTube channel, you guys want to subscribe to our channel, why not? Why would you not? Check out all the videos we have got going on. We've got lots of emails that come in through helpme@DeRosaGroup.com to answer here on Mentorship Monday. Check those out. If you guys have real estate questions, they may be answered already, so check those out too. But also email us at helpme@DeRosaGroup.com and I'll answer your question, just like I'm about to answer Rob's question right here on the YouTube channel for you and everybody else to learn from. And also you can like us on Facebook. You can do all kinds of cool stuff to stay in touch with the DeRosa group. So let's talk to Rob. So Rob's got, Rob from Ohio owns a couple real estate properties. Very lucky he's got a couple properties free and clear. Rob, it looks like you're making, maybe about $1,000 a month in rental cash flow plus whatever you're making on unemployment. But the problem that Rob has is he's not like bankable because he doesn't have an earned income from his job. And it's something that a lot of folks have to deal with. If you don't have a full-time W-2 job, getting loans is something that comes up, right? So Rob, what I see is Rob has a lot of equity in his properties. He owns one property free and clear, owns a few other properties with low mortgages on them compared to what they're worth. But the biggest thing the biggest asset Rob has that he doesn't realize, that I'm telling you, Rob, is you have time. And so what you need to do is to go and find someone who doesn't have time but has great credit and partner up with them. And you may have to give them a small slice of equity in the properties you have. Just more than 20% equity is all you got to give them, so that when a bank looks at that portfolio to refinance it, they will want that person to step in personal guarantee and show their W-2 as earned income to back your loan, right? So then you'll be able to pull that equity out, and then you, Rob, as I know you don't say here in the email whether you want to do this gig full time or not, but it sounds kind of like the way you're talking like you'd like to. I would think so. That you can go forth and be the legs and implement that equity that you pull out of these properties, but you've got this, call it like silent partner, money partner, whatever, and in exchange for them coming in and using their credit and hopefully giving you a few dollars in cash in exchange for the equity you're giving them. So you're going to sell them a chunk of equity of your properties, right, for a check. You're going to take that check, put it into the pool of money that's going to come, that's going to again lump in with the refinance on top of that, and you're going to be the implementer to go and put that, looks to be a little over 100 grand to work, right? And $100,000 and some know-how, Rob, I think that you're going to be in good shape. So go and sell off a small chunk of your equity to somebody who's got good credit, who can step in and personally guarantee some loans for you. That's what I think you should do, Rob. So for those of you guys that are in the circumstances too, getting laid off stinks. You're absolutely, I could only imagine. But if you've got some assets, realize that if you get laid off, you have time that you can put forth into things. And time is like it's the most undervalued asset, but it's something that people that have a full-time job wish that they had more of so that they could go forth and invest in real estate. So don't discount the time that you have that you can put to work on behalf of other people through partnerships, right? So that's it, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Subscribe to our newsletter, by the way. I didn't say that earlier, so just check out the newsletter and check out our Facebook page. As I always say, guys, thank you for watching and have a great profitable week.